Imagine a place where every street whispers a unique story of art and history. Welcome to Montmartre, the heart of Parisian bohemian culture. To reach this place, you need to get down at the metro station Anvers, and from here you can walk to Rue des Abysses, the main street at the bottom of Montmartre. To reach the top, you have two options, the stairs or the elevator. The elevator ride requires a ticket, or you can use a Navigo pass. The stairs are fun but steep with 197 steps leading up to the Basilica of Sacred Heart. I opted for the elevator for an effortless ride to the hilltop. The big white church sits on the crest of the hilltop. From the top, you can experience a panoramic view of the whole city. Built a century ago based on the Roman architecture, it took over 40 years to complete. From a distance, the stark white domes are powerful and imposing. The Basilica, dedicated to the Sacred Heart of Jesus, is the second most popular tourist destination in Paris after the Eiffel Tower. The entrance to the church is free and it is open from 6 am to 10:30 pm. Look at this beautiful architecture. As we step inside the church, we notice the unusually dim light contributing to the mystical effect. The mosaic over the choir entitled "The Triumph of the Sacred Heart of Jesus" is the largest and the most important work of art in the church. The interior is surrounded by a series of chapels, mostly offered by professional groups or religious orders. The interior is a sanctuary of peace and beauty, with intricate mosaics and soaring ceilings. Take a moment to appreciate the serene atmosphere and the artistry that surrounds you. The central part of the church is dominated by a very high dome, symbolizing the celestial world resting upon a rectangular space. The two are joined by massive columns representing the passage between the two worlds. As we explore Montmartre, the streets outside the Basilica continue to charm with their vibrant atmosphere and views. This vibrant place is lined with cafes and shops, perfect for a leisurely stroll. The cobblestone streets, each with its unique story, add to the charm, making you feel like you've stepped back in time. My journey through Montmartre ends here, but the memories and the experiences will last a lifetime. Whether it's the stunning views, the peaceful moments inside the church, or the vibrant cobbled streets, Montmartre captures the heart and soul of Paris. Join our growing Wanderlust community and see where we might take you next. Please subscribe and share a thumbs up if you loved this video. This is Wanderlust Unplugged, crafting unforgettable memories, one destination at a time. Thank you for watching.